Hey guys, I'm Muzefa. I'm a graphic designer and I'm here to talk you whether you are learning design or you have your own business and want your product to look amazing. You might have a great product. It may be useful and solve real problem. But if people don't notice it, it won't sell. Today, good products are not enough. If your branding, packaging and visuals are boring, it just disappeared in crowd. And if you're new to design, branding can feel confusing. Where do you start? How do you make people stop scrolling and actually look at your product? That's where I help you. I've building brands for years and I want to show you exactly how. I do it step by step, no big words, no confusing stuff. Only practical design skills you can use. Here is what we'll do in this series. We'll pick real physical product, then we'll create full brand identity from zero. Branding, packaging design, creative ads and even landing page. This is not theory, this is real design work. You can follow and learn from it. If you want to learn how design can make any product stand out, hit the subscribe button. This channel is for people who want to create, grow, and make something awesome. Imagine this, people notice your product, they remember your brand, they trust it, buy it, and tell others about it. That's what great branding can do. In the next video, we start for real. We pick our product and do the research every successful brand needs. Stick with me, see you in the next video. Thank you.